In this video I am going to show you how to remove object from photo. Open Google and search Photo Object Remover. Scroll down and click on fourth link. Click on this link. Click on Upload Image. Select Image. Select photo area you want to remove. Now click on Remove button. Wait few seconds. Here you can see object removed. Now click on Save. Tap on Free Image. Now long press for 3 seconds. Save the picture. In this way you can remove object from photo. Please subscribe.